Hi guys, welcome to my first mini vlog, and this is something really new that I'm trying. It's something very fresh and cool for you all and only for you all. Okay, so here we go. I visited the Basalt Paradise and it's like really huge, aesthetic and too pretty to handle. I was literally obsessed with their walk-in entrance. Okay, so first up, we booked our private pool villa. Let me take you through it. Hi, that's me. And the moment I entered, I was absolutely astonished by the beauty of the villa. Just look at that view. I love how aesthetic the villa is. This is the petto seating exactly near the pool, which makes it so amazing. The villas are very luxurious and are perfect for staycations with your friends and family. Okay, so next up, all of us were really hungry, so my family and I went for breakfast, and this is all we had. There's a tiny bridge, outdoor and indoor game zone, and a lot more to do here. I'll be showing it to you all in the next video. Stay tuned and bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to the part 2 of my mini vlog. So we started off with the high tea near the pool. Next I went for dinner, which was on the terrace of our villa with a mountain view on the right and an amazing pool view on the left. That's me sipping mocktails and having some amazing food at the Basalt Paradise. It was a vibe. Next we went to check out the gym, the soft play area and of course the indoor games area. That was about day one. So next day we went to have breakfast and we had endless options. Hi, that's me choosing my food. After getting the energy to explore more, we further went on their terrace to check out the very pretty mountain view and enjoyed the breeze there. It was just so pleasant up there. And here we go. That's Dad enjoying his view. This is Mama enjoying the breeze. And then we have my little baby sister Priyanshi who's making a video of her own too. And how can I forget to mention about the very amazing infinity pool with a mountain view. They also have a fish pond. I went cycling, played badminton with Priyanshi, and then we went for outdoor games. Okay, so we had a lot of fun here and then we were very tired, so we went for lunch and we had endless options. Like you can see, the food was delicious. Yeah, that was my experience at the Basalt Paradise. Thank you so much for watching.
Imagine waking up to a serene morning by an infinity pool. So, hi guys, I'm Bhavna and I make travel content for you. Recently, I visited Basalt Paradise Resort and Spa, situated at place named Pavagadh. You know what's the best part about this resort is? It has infinity pool. Yes. And you know what is the other best part? We got a villa with attached pool. It sounds like the perfect weekend getaway with its infinity pool, luxurious villa, and a wide range of amenities like a gym, children's play area, and fine dining options. Plus, the lush greenery adds to the overall ambience, making it a truly luxurious and rejuvenating experience. I enjoyed my stay with my family and I'm definitely gonna come back. चलो मैं चली अपनी नेक्स्ट ट्रिप प्लान करने. आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ हाउ यू लाइक दिस प्रॉपर्टी. बाय बाय.
This place is just 30 minutes from Vadodara and has an infinity pool with the view of Pavagadh. This is the Pesort Paradise Resort and Spa located near Pavagadh and is a perfect escape from your daily hustle bustle life because this place is a perfect combination of greenery, luxury and peace. I went there with my friends and had so much fun. And the property is so beautiful with exquisite and comfortable rooms, which will make your stay 10 times better. They also have an indoor area with gaming room, gym, and a children's play area, serving the most delicious food at their restaurant, which gives a perfect fine dining experience. We stayed in a pool villa which had two beautiful and comfortable rooms and a pool right outside our villa. So this new year you can have a perfect luxurious escape near Vadodara and this beautiful. And yes, the best part about this place is definitely the infinity pool. So don't miss on that. See you in the next video. Bye.